Akiaria hindi ya mucemanio wa o mwaka wa arutani anene a thukuru cia muthingi bururi-ini uria urathie na mbere muciini wa Mombasa, mwandiki munene wa kiama kia KNUT Wilson Sossion oigite gutingihoteka arimu anene kurugamagirira igeranio angikorwo watho uria uri ho ndugucenjio.
And I want to say very clearly, the reforms of council, yes, we support the CS. He has done well to overhaul NEC, but you have failed to deal with the security apparatus. And you cannot transfer the burden to the head teachers.
No ona kuri uguo kiama kiu kiugite ni kiranyita mbaru mugaruruku thiini wa githomo, no ati mubango ucio ndwagiriire gutafanio na ihenya.
Curriculum reform, yes, we welcome. But we have thrown a caution. Don't hurry it the way 844 was hurried.
Nake muikariri gite wa kamiti ya bunge iri rumbuyagia githomo Sabina Chege ni aroria kiama kia arutani kinyitanire na abunge gutigirira watho ni wacenjio niguo mogaruruku thiini wa mathomo mahote gukinyanirio.
So again, Secretary General and KEPSHA, I'm extending the invitation. Let us know what we can do to make sure that we administer examination properly and we curb the examination cheating in this nation.
Oho mwandiki munene wa ministry ya githomo Belio Kipsang ni ariganite na rendekithia ria ciana kuhuragwo irita njira ya kumaruga mitugo.
There are so many ways that we can be able to change and to administer change to our children. One of them is not corporal punishment. Because when we go to corporal punishment, we are just going back to encourage violence. It is just like any other violence. And we don't want to go back there.
Mucemanio uyu wa o mwaka urathie na mbere o riri gukoretwo na wagagu mathukuru-ini ngurani bururi-ini. Gladys Kigo, Inooro TV.